Hello everyone, welcome to YourPedia Global. This is our weekly newsletter edition video. So before starting this video, recently we have shared one interaction with our one of the global module or consultancy student Komal Kant, who joined us way back in 2019 or 20. And she belongs to one normal university, normal college. Her profile was average when she joined us, and her CGPA was, I guess, 62% only. She worked a lot under the mentorship of YourPedia Global mentors and made a very impactful academic profile, and because of which she got offer from 3 to 4 university in USA and finally grabbed a very good scholarship and funding from George Mason University, USA. So why I am sharing this? There are so many students who want to go abroad, but they believe their profile is not that much solid or impactful that they can expect admits and funding. Yes, each one of you deserves the right to try, but the point is you need to work under the mentorship of some experienced and expertise fellow. So she not only managed to get studentship, scholarship and admits from the university, but she also wrote the GRE exam and got 325 in GRE, which itself is a very good score. So guys, she is a motivation for so many students out there who want to apply for abroad. You can visit our new channel YourPedia Global, where you get update related to deadlines of university and what all parameters and attributes are associated with your foreign admission, like funding, how to apply, what all document required, what is the right time to apply, whether to join fall and spring. That all information you will get there on the YourPedia Global. So before starting this video, in this weekly newsletter edition, we share with you people some prestigious top PhD position from different university for engineering domain like electrical, civil, mechanical, computer science. So if you find any of the position related or aligning with your proposed PhD area, then visit that university and explore in detail. We have kept here only very brief parameter just for your information, so that you can get information in very less time. If you find this position is aligning with your future proposed PhD area, then go and visit and explore the detail about this. So guys, if we start the very first position for electrical engineering, it's for PhD day, MSc both. It's in the University of Alberta, Canada, and it's under the Department of Physics. For PhD 3.5 year is the duration, for MS 1.5 to 2 years. And they had mentioned open till the suitable candidate not found. Professor name is mentioned, email ID is also mentioned. You can approach him directly and share your profile and candidature. It's a fully funded position. They had mentioned engineering background such as degree in photonics, laser, optoelectronics engineering, electrical engineering, relevant software knowledge is essential. What are those relevant software? For that you need to explore this position and connect this particular professor. Next position we have in the electrical department, University College London. The research area is quantitative magnetic resonance imaging, MRI of the spine. Duration is 3.5 year. Last date is 15 September 2023. Yes, it's a fully funded position, detailed mentioned here, and they had put some prerequisite engineering background such as degree in biomedical engineering, electrical engineering, relevant software knowledge is essential. Next up for electrical engineering we have University of Southampton, UK. The research area is decentralized and distributed active noise and vibration control. Duration 3.5 year. Last date is 31st of August. Yes, it's a fully funded position, detail mentioned here. And they had put some prerequisite: candidate must hold first class master degree in electrical engineering. Student with research area of specialization in signal processing will be preferred. So if you are doing MTech from any of the institution in the signal processing, you can apply for this. Next, under the electrical engineering is University of Nottingham, UK. The research area is to investigate novel ways to design electric vehicle battery pack with a focus towards sustainability, reliability, repairability and recyclability. Duration is 3.5 year. Last date is 30th September. Yes, it's a fully funded position, and prerequisite applicant must hold or be near completion of a first or upper second class undergraduate degree in electronics engineering or physics, working knowledge of electric powertrain and batteries desirable, knowledge of MATLAB, Simulink, SolidWorks, Autodesk, Fusion, etc. is desirable. Most of all, the applicant must demonstrate passion and curiosity to solve real world problem in this area. So if you are interested in electric vehicle domain, this is a great area. Now for computer science engineering, we have University of Southampton, UK. The research area is responsible and trustworthy AI. Duration 3.5 year. Last date is 30th September 2023. Yes, it's a fully funded position. Prerequisite an excellent undergraduate degree or first class or its international equivalent in computer science, electronics or other closely related subjects such as mathematics. Means you must have a very good relevant courses related to mathematics in your degree. Next up, we have for computer science, University of London. AI for endoscopy video analysis. Duration is 3.5 year. Last date is 31st August. Yes, it's a fully funded position. Prerequisite applicant whose mother tongue is not English must have combination of the following: minimum of IELTS average of 6.5 with minimum of 6 in each of the sections. The award of master degree, the teaching of which English from an speaking country must be there. Next up, we have Computer Science, University of Kent, UK, a collaborative approach to design and evaluate avatar AI. Duration 3.5 year. Last date is 13th of August. Yes, it's a fully funded position. Amount mentioned here. A very good undergraduate degree, at least 8 CGPA degree or its international equivalent, and valid IELTS score must be there. Then next up, we have for computer science, University of Warwick, England. The research area is integrating machine learning and multi-scale modeling for simulating fracture in materials and uncertainties. Duration 3.5 year. Last date is 13th of August. Yes, it's a fully funded position. And prerequisite candidate with a first class degree or 8 CGPA at BSc or MSc in engineering discipline, applied mathematics, physical sciences or computational sciences, and a strong interest in computational material modeling, simulation, applied mathematics, probabilistic machine learning, and Bayesian statistics and data science. International students are welcome to apply but must meet the fee difference themselves. Next up, we have in computer science again Newcastle University, UK. Proposed research area studentship in machine learning and molecular dynamics. Duration 3.5 year. Last date is 19th of October. It's a fully funded position. And prerequisite an undergraduate degree in computer science engineering or related branches with minimum of 8 CGPA. A very good programming knowledge is required. Most of the positions were related to AI, data science and machine learning. Next up, we have for the mechanical engineering, University of Sheffield, UK. Duration 3.5 year. Last date is the 5th of October. Yes, it's a fully funded position. And research area is modeling and control of turbulent flows. They have asked knowledge, skill, background in fluid mechanics, good programming skill, Fortran, Python, MATLAB must be there. And they had clearly mentioned any previous experience in machine learning is a plus. Desirable final year project on a fluid mechanics problem is there, and lot of things they had mentioned related to the fluid mechanics. If you have some good real hands-on experience on the fluid mechanics and various tools and software related to this, then this position is well suited for you. Next, we have for mechanical engineering again. The university name is Imperial College London, again a very good university, and research area is composite material in extreme environment. Duration 3.5 year. Last date is 4th of October. Yes, it's a fully funded position. Prerequisite is that applicant should have an undergraduate degree in engineering and strong background in solid mechanics, and knowledge of fiber reinforced composite would be an advantage. The applicant should also have a proven aptitude or willingness to conduct practical work, experimentation, design, build, and a genuine passion for research. So these are some prerequisites they had mentioned. Next, for mechanical engineering, University of Southampton, UK. Proposed research here is landing gear, aerodynamics and aeroacoustics. So duration 3.5 year. Last date is 31st of August. Yes, it's a fully funded position, and a very good undergraduate degree, at least a CGPA or its international equivalent with valid IELTS is required. Next is for mechanical technical, University of Denmark. Research area is microstructural engineering of additive manufacturing, ALSIMG. DTU construct under. Duration 3 year. Last date is 6th of August. It's a fully funded position. A very good undergraduate degree, at least 8 CGPA is required. Last position for mechanical is University of Sheffield, UK. Research area is grease lubrication in wind turbine. Duration 3.5 year. Last date application accepted all year around, means there is no specific last date. You can apply anytime. This position will be closed if they find any suitable or potential candidate. So apply as soon as possible, don't delay. Next, yes, it's a fully funded position. Prerequisite degree in engineering, material science, physics, chemistry, mechanical engineering or applied mathematics must be there. Next, we have for the civil engineering, University of Birmingham, UK. Research area is shaping the future of physics based simulation with AI driven generative model. Duration 3.5 year. Last date is 30 September. Yes, it's a fully funded position, and they have mentioned you must have a master B engineering in physics, computer science, civil engineering or related field with 8 CGPA, and strong programming skills are required in terms of Python, MATLAB or similar, and you must be well in machine learning framework like PyTorch and TensorFlow. So these are the prerequisites they had mentioned. Next up, for civil engineering we have position, that is University of Exeter, UK, maximizing the potential of waste heat recovery. Duration 3.5 year. Last date is 13th of August. Yes, it's a fully funded position, and prerequisite is an appropriate area of engineering or science, civil, mechanical, mathematics, sound numerical and computational skill, for example MATLAB etc. is required. Next, this deadline is over, and next this deadline is over also, and there is one more position which is their civil engineering, University of Hull, UK. Proposed research area is open call with the Aura CDT in offshore wind energy and the environment. Duration 3.5 year. Last date is 14th of August. Yes, it's a fully funded position, and prerequisite they had mentioned, if you have received a first class degree or 8 CGPA and master or distinction at the master level with any undergraduate degree in STEM subjects such as biology, chemistry, computer science, earth science, engineering, geography, mathematics and civil engineering, we would like to hear from you. So guys, these were the PhD position. If you find any of the position somewhere very closely related to your proposed PhD area, then start approaching the professor. I told you many times that for PhD, if you want to do PhD from abroad, merely applying the application form is not the success. Okay, you need to make a good connection with the professor, you need to share your profile with them, then they will be sharing their reviews and feedback. Whatever reviews and feedback you will get, take it in the positive way. If they provide positive, then definitely you should apply in that university and you can expect at least admits and scholarship. If they're saying that your profile is not up to expectation, then you need to ask them what you can do best to improve your profile and utilize the remaining time. Trust me, within next 5 to 6 months you will find a very good position comparable to that position. So the same thing I was discussing in the beginning of this video. The example is Komal Kant, who really worked hard on making his profile or her profile very impactful. So during this journey, if you need mentorship, you need guidance, how to make your profile, how to boost your academic profile and how to draft the document, feel free to connect the mentors of YourPedia Global, or you can post your queries down in the comment section. We wish you all the best. Thanks a lot.